From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Brown, student meteorologist here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service with your Tuesday afternoon forecast. Looking outside of Beaver Stadium right now, we can see it's looking really nice out with really no clouds to be seen. And this is really just going to be the trend for the next few days where it's going to be warm. And right now we can see it's 73 out there, which is for this time of day, it's very warm. Our dew point is staying relatively dry, and it's going to be pretty calm out there. So really, really nice conditions out there today. If we look at our weather headlines for this week, this is really summer's last gasp, as the temperatures are right now are really above average, and it's really warm out there with sunshine and warmth continuing. However, by the end of this week, we're going to see some big changes with the cold air coming back and some rain entering the region. But just to see how warm it really is today, our high is 80, and we can see this is really approaching that record high of 84. And while we won't reach that today, we can see how above average we are and just how warm today is going to be compared to what it usually is. So looking at our temperatures around the Commonwealth, it's really going to be pretty nice and average right now with 70s around most of the areas. And if we zoom out to the rest of the country, we see most of the east is staying relatively calm and well above average. But as we move to the west, we can see those temperatures are much cooler. This is due to a cold front right down the middle of the region, which is moving our way. And in a few days, that will reach us. But going back to today, we can see our radar is pretty calm right now. Really no clouds or rain to be seen today. And if we zoom out to the rest of the country, it's really a trend for most of the areas. We see a few clouds and rain in the Midwest, but mostly it's going to be a pretty calm day around the USA. And if we look at our future weather, we can see today is looking like it's going to be a really nice day out there with only a few clouds possible, but no really disruptions in our weather today. And if we continue to Wednesday, it's going to stay very nice and warm. Even Thursday, we're going to get some clouds, but it's going to stay nice. But as we go to Thursday evening into Friday, it's when those clouds are going to return from the west. And we're going to see some rain move in from this western cold front. And this is going to bring some very unsettling weather over the weekend. And if we look at our 6 to 10 day outlook, this is really showing how the cold air from the west is going to move east. And it's going to bring warm weather out in the west, but where we are, it's going to be much below average. And it's going to start to feel like fall and even winter a little bit. So looking at our temperature for today, like I said, it's going to be really nice today, 80, mostly sunny, and really no winds to be seen. Today is just one of those perfect days in the fall that you want to take advantage of. And even tonight, it's going to continue to be nice with only a low of 57 and clear. And it's still going to be relatively calm. So if you're out tonight, it's looking like a great night. And looking at tomorrow's weather, it's going to continue to be really warm, even a little warmer, 81 degrees with abundant sunshine. And we'll get a little bit of winds, but it's going to feel like a really nice summer-like day out there tomorrow. And if we look at our 7-day forecast, we can see the trend that I've been talking about. These next few days are going to be pretty warm and summer-like. With Thursday, we're going to start to see those clouds building in. And by Friday, it's going to stay relatively warm, but the rain is going to move in Friday and Saturday, bringing some pretty bad conditions over the weekend. And we can see by Saturday, the cold front is going to reach where we are. And it's going to be cold Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with lows getting to the low 50s, which is going to really start to feel like we're into fall by now. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, have a great rest of your day. Thank you.